All right, the kid's coming. My friend Shrishesh is coming. We're gonna go, he's gonna help me. We're gonna go try to talk to some people and see if we can find that really good pork place where it went, because it's moved, I'm pretty sure. I don't think they just closed. I think they moved. So he's gonna come help me try to find that place. We're gonna go talk to someone I think knows them and see if they can tell us where it went. We'll go find that. I'll show you their food. I've never really done a video on them, and we'll do all that stuff. Yeah, hopefully. Someone around here's gotta know.
They closed.
Oh, just off permanently?
Yeah, off.
Oh. Yeah, this is the first one we ate at? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, all right. Yeah, let's try that. Namaste.
राम राम्रो बाउ सुन त भात र मासु टक्क मिक्स गर्नु है
Oh, they have it inside.
Oh no.
Namaste. Namke?
Parvin Basnet.
Ah. What's his name?
Provin Basnet.
Oh. Oh, nice. Well, that looks very good.
But I'm not supposed to eat.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm the only one eating it. Yeah, it's better than I remember. I haven't been to this place for a while. Oh, that looks good though. So you, oh yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, it's good.
That's really good.
How may I know it's good or not?
That's a really good. That's a really good grill taste. I like that a lot. That's really good. What? Oh, what? What's it? Oh shit! What's happening here?
Same.
Getting old. Yeah, but I'm old.
Yeah. He's older than you.
Sugar daddy.
Sugar daddy.
Where are you going?
We came here. Oh no! I don't know where we're going. What are you doing? Touching your Muji?
One day later.
Yeah!
No to that Nick, no to the mids. In my bag, I am the shit. Balenciaga sponsorship. We smoking blunts, don't pass no clip. My hair's in the clouds, can you?
I heard about that place, but I didn't went. And today we are going.
Bring me back down, boy, I need it. Girl, don't trip. Take
All right, me and the kid came to this place called Thapa Hotel. I've been wanting to try this place for a while, but it's hard for me to come by myself, like, cause you know, it's like I try to ask them what's new and stuff.
It's famous for like local chicken.
I'm pretty excited to try it because it looks really good. It's kind of busy.
What do you want to eat?
Oh, to eat?
They got a local chicken sekuwa.
Okay. What do they know? What's popular?
This was the local chicken
sekuwa.
sekuwa.
Okay.
For the single plate को यसो गर्नु एक प्लेट ल्याइदिनु म खान सक्दैन थियो एक प्लेट ल्याइदिनु अनि एउटा सिको चुरो ल्याइदिनु त्यसपछि म खान्छु
I saw it. You got a nice fire going. Oh, okay. So, so you have all your own local chickens?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Daily 15-16 piece daily cutting.
So every day you cut 15 or 16 chickens. Oh, wow, that's awesome. That's so cool. It's just like right here, and then it's gonna be right there on the table. That's awesome. So how long have you been here instead of the other place?
Before I'm working Baby Chok 9 years. Now I'm working only 6 months.
So why did you move? Like
Now this one bike.
you bought?
Yeah.
Oh, and this is old though, right? This has been. Oh,
Yeah.
that's a really good idea. You made a good choice. I bet it's busy. It looks good. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you for showing me. That was awesome. They have their own chickens. They go through about 15 or 16 a day. Oh, potato.
Potato pickles. A little bit spicy.
Woo, it's almost spicy.
Yeah.
And this is the sekuwa.
Yeah, that's the local chicken sekuwa.
Local chicken sekuwa.
Yeah.
Hot.
Toothpick lang, right? Now this one masala. Masala local chicken sekuwa.
It looks similar, but a little bit more gooey.
Yeah. Man-made barbecue.
Yeah. The Thapa hotel place is really cool. The owner's really nice. The food was really good. The prices are awesome. You do have to listen to your food talk to you before you eat it, but I'm good with that. But I wouldn't even know where that place was if it wasn't for my friend from TikTok telling me about it. So if you know of any place you think I should eat, just leave it in the comments, contact me on Instagram or TikTok and let me know. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in a couple days. And remember, sunglasses are important.